In today's video, I will walk you through how to add another email to PayPal account. PayPal allows you to connect multiple email addresses to the same account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add another email address using the PayPal website. After accessing your PayPal account, select the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. The settings icon appears as a gear symbol. When the account page opens, make sure the account tab is selected at the top of the screen. In the email section, select the plus icon located next to your existing email addresses. On the Add an Email page, enter the additional email address you want to connect to your PayPal account. Then select Add Email. You'll return to the account page where the newly added email address will appear with an unconfirmed message below it. Next, check the inbox for the email address you added and open the confirmation email from PayPal. Select Confirm Your Email inside the message. Enter your PayPal account password when prompted, then select Confirm Your Email again. After returning to the account page, the unconfirmed message will be removed from the email address, showing that the email has now been confirmed and added successfully to your PayPal account. Thank you for watching.